Hi, welcome back. Right now we'll continue on and see how we could actually access the viewer section from the controller. As you see, we loaded the model users. We had the let's store the user list. This is what we did before. We had the get users from the model, which basically gets the first user. Now let's do this thing: data, page title, test view. Now to load a viewer, we would need to do this, called the load viewer method, and the viewer name. Let's create the view in the view section. I mean, it could be PHP, it could be HTML, it could be XCC, XBB, anything, it doesn't matter. But one thing, it has to be PHP if you want to be able to pass these variables to it. So I mean, right now we have this here. We'll pass the variables data. So let's create the HTML. Okay. Okay, since it's a PHP file, it's able to accept these parameters, the user list array and the page title variable. So let's just do it this way. And we have this user list. Let's print it in the body. For each user list as field name, field value. Since we use the MySQL fetch association, we actually have the field name, so we could actually use that. Makes it more user friendly. Actually, let's do it this way. Echo field name, field value. So we have this view section, the viewer. We call it here and we pass it the data. Let's see, I had the view source, we have the title, that was the variable, and the array. One thing you might want to do is you set the third parameter to true. What this will do, will run the view everything, but it won't output it. It'll basically store it in whatever variable you do. So if we do this, echo start page, see start page came actually before the whole page, because we have control over the whole page variable. This is basically it. Next tutorial I'll show you how to actually use the template plugin to make this more flexible. Thank you for listening.